Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to the English class. In last class we saw the story The Fat Dog and the Thin King. Today we are going to see the book activities. Okay? Let us think and do. Circle the correct word. Who is this? Who is this? This is a king. Who is this? This is a king. So, correct, put tick mark king. Who is this? What is this? Sorry, what is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a dog. So put tick on the dog. What is this? This is a cat. Put tick on the cat. Cat. Who is this? This is a king. What is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a cat. Okay, now let us move to the next activity. Tick yes or no. The king is fat. Did you read the story? The story what they have given? In the story they have given he is a thin king, right? He is a thin king. How is the king? The king is very thin. The king is very thin, right? The king is very thin. He is a thin king. But what is the statement they have given here? The king is fat. The king is fat. So it is a wrong statement. So tick no in this. The king is very thin, right? But they have given the king is fat. So we have to, it is not correct answer. So you have to tick no. What is the second sentence? The king has a fat dog. Yes, in the story we saw that the dog is very fat. So it is a correct statement. Put S. The dog sees a rat. Yes, why did the dog run? The dog ran because it sees a rat. Is it? No. What does the dog saw? The fat dog sees a cat. The fat dog sees a cat. But the fat dog sees a cat. But in the statement what they have given, the fat dog sees a rat. This is a cat. The fat dog sees a cat. But in the statement they have given the dog sees a rat. So it is a wrong statement. Put no. Tick the box. What is the fourth statement? The dog runs to catch the cow. Is it a correct statement? No. What is the correct statement? The fat dog runs to catch the cat. The fat dog runs to catch the cat. But what they have given in the exercise? In the exercise they have given the dog runs to catch the cow. The dog runs to catch the cow. So it is a wrong statement. So tick no on this box. Okay. What is the law statement? The king runs with the dog. Is it a correct statement? The king runs with the dog. The king runs to catch the fat dog. So it is a wrong statement because the king doesn't run with the dog. The king ran after the dog. First the dog ran to catch the cat. After that the king ran to catch the dog. So the king runs to catch the fat dog. The king runs after the dog to catch the fat dog. So the king runs with the dog. The king ran to catch the dog, but he does not run with the dog. He does not run with the dog. They doesn't run same. First the dog ran, after that the king ran. So the king runs with the dog is a wrong statement. So put no on it. Did you understand this? The king ran to catch the dog. It is a correct statement. But he doesn't run with the dog. With the dog means I am going with you, means நான் உன்னோடு போகிறேன். பட் அந்த கிங் வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க, ஃபஸ்ட்டு அந்த நாய் போச்சு, அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த கிங் போனாங்க. ஸோ த கிங் ரன்ஸ் with the dog is a wrong statement because the king ran after the dog. So the answer is no. Okay, now did you mark the answers? Now let the arrange the story in the correct order using number 1 to 5. How the story begins? First, what is the story? Here, what is the picture you can see? Here you can see the fat dog runs to catch the cat. This is not the starting of the story. Here what you can see? Here what you can see? You can see the dog is running. So this is also not the first statement. Here you can see both of them are very tired. So it is afterwards. It is not the beginning of the story. Here you can see the dog sees a cat. So this is also not the starting of the story. Here what is the starting of the story? The thin king and the fat dog went for a walk. So this is the first statement. So put number 1 on it. After that what happens? After that the dog sees a cat. The dog sees a cat. The dog sees a cat. So this is statement 2. What is the third statement? The fat dog. What is the third statement? The third statement is the fat dog runs to catch the cat. So this is the third statement. Put number 3 on it. After that the king ran to catch the fat dog. So this is number 4. And finally the story ends with that the thin king became very thin and the fat dog became very very thin. So this is the final statement. Now you understand? Put number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, the fat dog and the thin king goes for a walk. After that, the fat dog sees a cat. So the fat dog runs to catch the cat. After that, the king ran to catch the dog. After that, the thin king and the fat dog became very thin. That's the end of this story. So students, for today's homework, we will do the book activity. Okay? Thank you students.